Hello, today I'll be reviewing this USB keypad. I absolutely love this for my keyboards that don't have a 10 key on the side. It is very lightweight, very slim, simple yet cute design. The USB is pretty long. Here's the USB. Let me show you how I connect it and use it on my computer. Here is the keypad, the USB. I just connect it on that port here. And then if you want to hear how loud it is, it does have a backspace on here, which is great, and the enter. I absolutely love this product, and I definitely recommend this keypad if you don't have a 10 key on your keyboard. 10 out of 10.